Hello guys, welcome to my channel how to fix Windows update for available. This is a error file pending or download error showing file. Okay, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Go to click to the search bar, search the settings, click to open, see the system, see the troubleshoot, then select it to click to the other troubleshoots. Click to run to you will check this error for you will so the last left to you will get fix it. Okay, fix option then you will select to get fix it or anyone no issues to you will connect to the second step. Okay, then go to the second step or you will search the CMD. You will these two commands. I will provide this video description. You will copy to paste the CMD. Okay. Then you will search the CMD. You click to the run as administrator. Click to yes. You will type the SFC space and slice scan now. You will search to this is the first command. This is the scan finish it to you will copy to paste the second command. Okay. This is the verification for 3%. This is the 100% is completed so you will paste the second command. Okay. Then third step for change the Windows update automatic in services. Okay. Go to back to the search bar, search the services. You will scroll down to see the Windows update. Then right click to properties. You will see the startup page for automatic services that was stopped. You will get start. Start to click to apply, click to OK. Then finally you will click to the Windows icon. You get restart your PC or laptop to this problem issues for solve it. After go to click to the search bar, search the settings. You will see the Windows update. You will click to the recent updates to get update the Windows. Okay. Then anyone doubt open the comment. Then thank you for watching.